track champion in the 9 car. George Sparkman in the 5. Frank Beldowski, former track champion in the 61. 68, Steven Erickson. Kelly Evink in the 98. 119, fast qualifier, Brandon DeLacy. These are among your fast qualifiers going 10 laps. Finally, we're going racing! Oh, look out! Somehow they made that work. George Sparkman fills the gap on the outside. Does he got room? Phil Maloff and Gary Stark battle for the race lead. Melody Boyle and Frank Beldowski side by side for 3rd. Blount and Sparkman even up for 5th. Phil Maloff is your leader. Sparkman falls back to 6th. Erickson on his back bumper. Evink making moves on the bottom side of the 98. Here goes Gary Stark looking for the race lead. Maloff wiggles into turn number 3. 7 laps to go. Oh, they scatter off of turn 4 again. Sparkman up the hill, loses more spots, fall into the back. Beldowski and Boyle catching the lead duo, who are side by side as they head out of turn number 4. Closing up on halfway. Kelly Evink looking for 5th spot to the bottom side of Greg Blount over in turn number 2. Good racing in this first heat for the Midwest Compact Dash Series. 5 scored, 5 to go. We are halfway home. Maloff has now gotten in front of the 35 of Stark. Boyle still holding on to 3rd. For 5th, they're still evened up with Blount to the outside of Evink. Not really getting away from anybody. A little bit of gap from 1st to 2nd and 3rd on back. Beldowski not giving up on Boyle as they race off at turn number 2. Sparkman pulls the brake. He'll head to the pits. George Sparkman done. 3 laps to go. Top 4 in a bundle. Wiggle it all about. Frank Beldowski into 3rd. Evink opens through the floodgates. Here comes your quick qualifier, DeLacy. 2 laps to go. Brandon DeLacy wants 5th. Greg Blount falling like a rock in the river. Back to 8th. Erickson a look to the inside of Boyle. White flag coming, 1 to go. Beldowski and Evink have caught the leaders. Car length advantage for Phil Maloff in car number 32. Top 5 are finally free and clear of the rest of the field. Coming around his time by. Coming around. Checkered flag for Phil Maloff in 32. Quick qualifier, Brandon DeLacy starts last, finishes 5th in the 119. Brandon set a new track record in qualifying earlier into the 14-second bracket for these cars. 4th spot goes to Kelly Evink in the 98. 3rd spot goes to the 61 of Frank Beldowski. Gary Stark, a runner-up in car 35. And your winner of the first heat race for the Midwest Compact Touring Cars. Car number 32, all the way from way up north in Manitowish Waters, Wisconsin. How about it for Phil Maloff?